I made my pectus condition hardly noticeable by building muscle, improving posture without surgery. And I've helped thousands of others do the same thing. And in today's video, I want to share with you guys my secrets and show you one of my clients' profiles on my app and show you his workouts, the stretching regime I prescribe, and really give you guys a really good insight into my methods and the exercises I do, the stretches I do, and how we put it all together in a program that's truly actually targeted to pectus to make the condition as least noticeable as possible. So anyway, let's get into it. So on the screen here, you can see one of my clients' profiles called Adam, okay? Now, Adam has already worked with me for almost a year now, and he came to me with a severe asymmetric case, and he was not training at all, so no exercise experience, and he had a skinny fat kind of build, and his body composition and posture was making his pectus look worse than it was. So focus on his first year has been fat loss, and now we've just gone into a lean gaining phase, trying to build more of a foundation of muscle now, build some key areas like the chest, like the abs. And what you can see on the screen is his dashboard on my app as a client. This is from my end as a coach, but it looks quite similar on the app. So essentially the homepage of my app is a to-do list based on what I've prescribed for them for that day. And so you can see there's typically going to be 4 things here on a training day, that is. You have your workout, your stretching routine, your nutrition targets, and then to weigh yourself and track your body weight. Okay, so they're the 4 typical things. And then every 4 weeks, there's also progress photos. And coincidentally, the day I'm showing you was a progress photos day for him. But the main thing is this to-do list. Okay, so that is the main part of your homepage, and it makes following the program really easy because every day you just look at your to-do list. You look at the workout of the day, you look at the stretching of the day, and you click on that, you get it done, you log it, and then it'll tick, and you tick your to-do list. Okay, I love to-do lists. Setting to-do lists was such a game changer for me personally in terms of improving my appearance and my pectus and building muscle, but also transforming my life. So if you can get into the habit of having to-do lists, ticking them each day, then that'll transform your entire life. And it's something that we implement with the app and with my program. So to give you insight into a training day, look at his workout. This is a chest, shoulders, triceps, and abs day. So it's like a push day for him. Adam has been on the program for over a year now, so he's more experienced now. So he's getting more experienced workouts and workout splits. I actually started him with more beginner-friendly 3-day per week workouts that were full body, but now they're more experienced ones. So if we scroll through his workout, you can see he's got dumbbell chest press, 3 sets by 6 to 8. So in the lower rep range, going heavy on a compound movement, which again is something I'm more prescribed to more experienced lifters, not necessarily at the start if you're a beginner. Then we have a single arm incline crossbody chest press. This is a great exercise for pectus, one of my pectus specialized exercises where we really hit those non-spanning chest fibers. So this is a great exercise for him, for Adam, to really build right around the indent and anyone with pectus. And so there's the video tutorials all linked there within the app as well, and more notes are prescribed. You just can't see it all on the computer, but on the app you can see all the detailed notes there. As you can see here, for example, if I hover on it, it says 3 sets by 8 to 10 reps each side. Slow down and focus on your mind-muscle connection on your chest. So, some of those exercises is really about slowing it down, feeling that squeeze, feeling that burn. So with the single arm incline dumbbell chest press, that's a really like mind-muscle connection focused exercise, and you really want to be making sure you're doing it correctly. Otherwise, you're just not going to get the benefit from it. Then he's got high to low cable flies, great exercise to build your lower chest around the pectus, great for Adam. He's got dumbbell Arnold press, so there is some shoulder work. Like with my clients, I don't just program exercises for pectus. We program, arms, shoulders, legs, everything. I do try and, I prioritize muscle groups that will influence pectus in the programs that I prescribe, but we still train everything. So dumbbell Arnold shoulder press is a good shoulder exercise, but it also works your chest a little bit too. So I try and make it help the pectus as much as I can, even on exercises like that. Face pulls, this is for the posture. It's probably my go-to posture exercise when it comes to pectus. Really good exercise. Then we have skull crushers, just a tricep exercise. Ab roller, great ab exercise for pectus. I talked about this in my first ever pectus video from 10 years ago. Then he has sprinters crunch as well, work the obliques. So that's his workout. That's my program on the app for his day, for his workout. Now, the way I set my workouts is I do them in 4-week blocks. So every 4 weeks, like your Monday workout will be the same workout every Monday for 4 Mondays. And this enables you to track your weight, get progressive overload on that set workout. So he's tracked everything he lifted. The next week, the app will tell him what he lifted so he can aim for progression. Okay, and that's progressive overload, which is a fundamental muscle building principle. So now if we go back to Adam's dash, you can see his stretching routine. So this is again something that I program for all my clients, is stretches, because most people with pectus have pectus posture, which is your rolled forward shoulders, and also anterior pelvic tilt. And both these postures are two postures that actually make the condition look worse. So anterior pelvic tilt accentuates the pot belly rib flare appearance, which also then accentuates the sunken chest, and the rolled forward shoulders, that like rounded posture, makes the indent appear deeper than it is. So it's something that I focus my stretches on, which is primarily stretching the hips and the chest. They're the main ones to stretch. And so if we look at his stretching regime prescribed for this day, you can see he's got a doorway chest stretch for 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes each side. He's got a kneeling box stretch. It's great for your thoracic mobility, which is really important for opening up the chest, improving that rounded shoulders posture. And then he's also got a lunge stretch, which is great for stretching the hips, which is important for the anterior pelvic tilt. And then he's got a breathing exercise that I prescribe each day for like postural awareness and some mindfulness practice as well. And so that is Adam's stretching regime for that day. And then you'll also see the nutrition target. So his calorie target is 2,850 with 185 gram of protein target per day. And so he uses my app to log his food, which is a really important part of this program and something that I also prescribe for all my clients. And so you can see he's logged all the ingredients he's eaten in each meal, and it tells him his calories and protein for each meal and his total daily calorie and protein. And that's what we focus on when it comes to changing your body composition, is your overall calorie and protein targets. They're the two things that matter the most, as well as you want to eat mostly whole unprocessed foods. So that's Adam's profile in the app. One other thing is weighing himself. This is something I get my clients to do every day, is just to track their weight. If we look at Adam's progress tabs and his body weight, you can see over the year of working with me, so we started with a cut. Adam came to me with higher body fat, so the focus was to lose body fat. So we've tracked his weight the whole way through. We got him down to a nice lean body fat, where his pectus was looking a lot better, and then it was time to focus on lean gaining and building muscle, which is what we're doing now with the higher calories. So that is Adam's profile on my app. Also, if you look at this is his calendar tab, so you can see, I can see the overview, he can see the overview, he can rearrange workouts and things if he wants to. You can drag him around, he can do the same, and I can see everything he's logged throughout the time with my coaching, which is amazing because he's been a super consistent and adherent client. So yeah, and I can see all of that on my end. So that is how my app works. That is how my coaching works. Hopefully that gives you some really good insight into some exercises you should be doing by showing you his chest focused workout, stretches you should be doing, how the nutrition works, and hopefully it just gives you some really good insight into how you can implement these things into your own day to make your pectus look better. If you want to become a client, then you should go to my website, fixpectus.com. Book a call with me so I can meet you, and then we can get your transformation started, and you can have your own profile on my app, your own program assigned from me personally for you and your pectus, and we can get you a great result.